watcher, welcome back to the channel. This is Handyman. It's a beautiful day in Hertfordshire today. A few fluffy clouds in the sky, very hot, very sweaty weather. I'm in the garden doing some bits and pieces. I've got to sharpen a lawnmower blade for a client of mine, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you how you make sure the blade is balanced when you sharpen it, and don't give it back an unbalanced blade. So these are the three bits of kit I use. I've got obviously the blade. I've got, I don't know what the name of this is, lawnmower sharpening gizmo, what do we call it? What's his name? It's one of those, and I use some blue tape. So these got graduations in, so they can be used on all types of blades. What you do is you sit the blade over the top and watch what happens. Now this one, if you look, is ever so slightly more material on the left than the right, so it's unbalanced to the left. What I do is I double check this by turning it through 180 degrees to make sure there's not a caused by a slant on the table. And if I look at that, that looks fairly well balanced. Right, let me sharpen this blade and we'll see whether it's still balanced after. You can see with this, it's a bit dinged up, isn't it? So let's see if we can't improve this nasty looking blade. Okay, my outside workbench area, those pallets wouldn't have given me an exact, they weren't level, so I wouldn't have got an exact idea of what's going on with the blade. So I brought it inside and put it on my kitchen worktop, which I know is completely level. And if you look here, there's not a lot of difference between the right and the left. The left is a little bit, it's the bit I've just been working on, the left is a little bit lower than the right, which means the left is heavier. So I'm going to put a little bit of blue tape on the left hand side, just so I know that that's the side I've got to work on, and I'll just keep taking a bit more off, covering and breaking here and measuring until this is perfectly level. It's not far off now, but I don't want any vibrations in the lawnmower, so I'm going to make sure it's perfect. I'll just put a bit of blue tape on that side. Put a bit of blue tape on that side. Oh no, that's the side to remove it from. We've removed a bit more, trying to put it back on. Really is a simple bit of kit. It balances your blade. If it goes down one side more than the other, the side that goes down is too heavy, you just remove off some more material from the side that it's too heavy on. Needs a little bit more removing on that side. We just keep going, and essentially that's what you do until it evens itself up and it levels off properly. Then you know you've got an equal blade. There you go, really simple video on how to balance your blade. Just get one of those blade balancing tools. You sort your blade out, see whether it's level to start off with, then you sharpen it. If one side is lower, you remove a bit more material from that, and you just keep offering it up onto the little bit of kit, the balancer, until it balances lovely. Then you know your blade's equally balanced and you shouldn't have any vibrations in your lawnmower. Thanks for joining me. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. I'm trying desperately to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's my goal. So if you watch the videos and you haven't subscribed yet, just do me a favour, press that subscribe button, turn that grey button red, I think it goes that way, or red grey. Hit the subscribe button, help me out, give me numbers up, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya!